Hi everyone. So today I'm going to walk you through how to request books for curbside pickup with Oakland Public Library. You're going to want to be on the Oakland Library website, which is oaklandlibrary.org, and make sure you have your library card with you. After that, you're going to click in this green box to search your catalog. So if I wanted to request Percy Jackson, I would type in Percy Jackson and hit go. And it brings up all of these different versions of Percy Jackson. So I personally want the regular book, the hardcover book, that I can read in my hand, not on my screen. So what I'm going to then do is I can filter this down. So I'm going to click here, books, because that's just going to give me physical books. Okay, so now I can find the version of Percy Jackson that I want. Right now, it looks like these are all in Spanish. And I believe it's The Lightning Thief. So I'm going to hit request it. I'm going to have to log in. And then it's going to pop up this window, request it. So I would like to pick this title up from Diamond. Diamond is actually the branch closest to Bret Harte. So this is probably the branch that you're going to use as well. Click submit. And that's it. As you can see here, I'm going to be notified by email or phone number once my book is ready. So just after you've submitted your request, keep an eye out on your email. When you go to pick up the book, make sure that you have your library card with you and your phone. When I did the curbside pickup at Diamond, I was asked to text a picture of my library card to the people there so that they could get my order. So that's it. If you have any other questions, you can send me an email, solia.martinez@ousd.org, or you can message me through your Schoology account. Thank you. Bye-bye.